Hello,
Hello, how
uh,
are you?
I'm good. How do I pronounce your name?
It's Sultan.
Sultan. And where are you from, Sultan?
I'm originally from Pakistan, but I work here in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, so you're originally from Pakistan. Where are you from in Pakistan?
I'm from Karachi.
Oh, Karachi. Me too. Nice to meet you. And
Wow, nice to meet you too.
I'm gonna ask you a couple of
hmm
questions. All right. We're gonna ask a couple of different questions. So, tell me about your career so far, Sultan. What were you doing before you became a teacher? What were you doing when you were in Pakistan?
I was teaching there, and the first job which I did was a teaching job, and
Mhm.
I started my career with the same profession.
Oh, okay. And how many years have you been teaching for?
It has been roughly 7 years.
Mm, I see. So it's been quite some time. And where are you from in Karachi? What
I'm
area?
from North Nazimabad.
Oh, okay.
And where are you from?
Nice. And I'm from Gulshan
Ah,
Park.
okay.
So you did you move to Saudi with your family, or did you move yourself and then you called them
Yes.
over?
First I came here and
Mhm.
then I called my family after 1 year.
I see. I see. So what what exactly is the difference between living in Pakistan and in Saudi Arabia? What differences have you noticed so
There
far?
are a lot of differences. First of
Hmm.
all, we don't have any problem of power outage and water.
Hmm.
It is safer than Pakistan, cleaner than Karachi. So there are a lot
Hmm.
of differences.
I see. I see. And what is your plan for the future? Because I'm sure you already know. Uh, so are you there just to work? Because I don't think the Saudi government like grants citizenship and passports to non-Saudi people, right?
Exactly.
So what is your future? What is your plan for the future? Are you going to move out eventually, or are you going to stay in Saudi for as long as you can stay?
Yes, I want to stay here and let's see what will happen in the future.
And inshallah, it'll be better.
Yeah.
But what about your children, Sultan? How old are your
No, I
kids?
don't have children.
Oh,
Yes,
you don't? Okay, so just your wife right now. So it's just your wife
yes.
and you. Okay, that's nice. And so what places were you teaching in the past in Pakistan? What schools were you teaching in?
I taught in Usman Public School and then
Hmm.
I went to Hamdard University. I worked there for almost 3 years.
I see. I see. That's good.
And
So why?
when did you move to
I'm sorry.
America?
I didn't. I'm in Karachi right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm in Karachi. I'm at my home,
Okay, okay.
and yeah, I learned over here. My parents were used to work in the UK,
hmm
and then they moved back over here.
So
I've never been to the.
how much time did you spend there?
I didn't. I never went to the US.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I learned over here. I learned to speak over here. We have two first languages.
hmm
So Urdu is my first language, but also English is my first language at the same time.
Let me ask you about Karachi.
Yeah, sure, sure.
What about the electricity?
It's a lot better now. It is. We are not getting any power outages. I'm sorry.
Due to winter?
No, it's been a while. I don't think we have power outages as often as we used to.
Okay.
So the main metropole areas are fine, like Gulshan and Johar.
Mm-hmm.
They're fine.
Okay.
But I haven't heard of any major issues with outages for maybe a couple of years now.
Okay. So, what language do you speak at home?
We speak Urdu, mainly Urdu.
Urdu. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you studying there?
No, I live here. I work as an accountant and as a tutor and as a business consultant.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm studying finance and accounting. I'm doing my ACCA right now.
So, you are able to go to the institutions or you are taking online classes?
I don't need to. I just study from home. Yeah, I take online classes.
Hmm. Okay.
because I haven't been able to travel so far because of the coronavirus. So I was planning on going to Turkey sometime around the middle of March,
Okay.
sometime around that time.
Mhm.
And after that, I have a trip planned to China. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to be traveling for the next couple of years to see where I can, move to, and then after a couple of years, we can come back to Pakistan.
Okay. So you don't have any
So what do you?
intentions to go to
Yeah,
America?
not right now. Probably, maybe after my bachelor's,
Mhm.
maybe,
Okay.
but not right now. So, tell me about Saudi Arabia, Sultan. Are there any good job opportunities, any good business opportunities in Saudi for Pakistanis right now?
Yes, you can say if you have got a good job, then it is good. Because of the family tax, families do not stay here because it is too much expensive for
So you
families.
have to pay a family tax.
Exactly.
Really?
For
Well,
yes,
how much is that?
it is almost uh, 5,000 real per year.
Wow.
And
So how much is that?
if you have children, so you need to pay for them as well.
Oh, so 5,000 real is even 2 lakh rupees, right?
Yes,
Hmm. I see. Okay, and what about children? If you have children, then how much do you have to pay if you have children?
same amount, same amount.
Oh, on top of the 5,000,
Yes,
so
it
you
will
have to
become
pay like
10,000 if
10,000.
you have one children. If you have two
Oh
children,
wow,
then it will become 15,000 real.
wow. Okay, that's very expensive. So, what do you plan on doing? Are you going to stay? How many more years are you going to stay in Saudi for?
Actually, everything depends on the employer.
Mm.
So I wish to stay here forever, but whenever our contract expires, we need to go back. How was your experience?
So far, it's been great. I've met a lot of people. I've met most of my students so far have been Turkish and Saudis and uh, Chinese and Japanese students.
Wow,
Yeah, so
good.
it's been very nice. It's a great experience. I do have a lot of experience teaching English, but
Mhm.
I this is a really good platform. I really like working with Cambly. It's nice.
Good.